Don't ever go here because it's what?
Super hot, super dangerous, and super expensive.
Okay. Don't ever come here. Okay. Continue.
Yeah, but it's my experience because I'm here 2 months. Yes, it's super touristic, and tourism spoiled this big city. Full of drugs, prostitutes, and illegal attractions. And Caribbean Sea, by the way. Right now you can see in the middle of the frame. Here's the port, custom, and all this shit. Expensive hotels, no, nothing for free, nothing. So that's why I don't like it. And I have super sexy cameraman today, which is recording me right now. So here you can see a lot of hotels. They have a stupid rules. I forgot to tell you. For example, one of them, you cannot be on the beach after 6 p.m. You cannot swim in the beach after 6 p.m. because you get a penalty. And I realized that it's super stupid, absolutely awkward, hilarious, idiotic, and cringe rule. I don't know, my English already finished, but it's super stupid rules and laws. Today I'm the first time here. I'm here about 2 months, but first day I got here to the top of this place. It's so funny, this place called Popa, which translating from my language like S. It's super funny.